Good morning. The US stock markets were up on Thursday with the Dow rising over 100 points as fears over the Eurozone debt crisis ebbed and traders rallied to claw back losses from earlier in this week. We expect a positive start following further improvement in risk tolerance worldwide. Early gains may not hold though, and the market may once again turn choppy and range-bound. Near-term sentiments may remain at the mercy of global events, even as earnings continue to trickle in both here and abroad. Monsoon will be the next big event on the domestic calendar. April was a dull month for the Indian equities as the main indices were stuck in a range. A breakout from the current range may continue to elude us unless we have a major global rally. So it would be wise to stay cautious, though there is no need to panic. Be selective and careful in picking stocks, especially the small and mid-cap ones. The other news for the day is, RIL plans to sell gas to retail consumers in the US using Atlas Energy's infrastructure. Jindal Steel and Power is close to acquiring Oman-based Shabed Iron and Steel for $500 million US. Supreme Court verdict on RIL-RNRL gas issue is likely next week. Air India has opposed the market alliance between Kingfisher Airlines and British Airways on the domestic network. NTPC BEL Power Projects 50-50 joint venture between the two PSUs is expecting orders worth 70 billion rupees by the end of the current fiscal. Pantaloons Retail and Future Value Retail plan to issue 7.5 billion rupees worth of NCDs. Mindtree has backed the Application Development Services segment of the UID project. Finance Bill proposes to prohibit token concessions to housing, air travel, planters and healthcare. Food inflation eases to 16.6% during the weekend April 17th. Government has directed mobile operators to stick to 30th June, deadline for launch of mobile numbers portability. According to the Telecom Minister, 3G auction to end in a day or two. The government has hiked export duty on iron ore lumps to 15%. Moving on to the recommendations, the derivative strategies are: long syndicate bank may future at Rs 93.6 for a target price of Rs 96 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 92. And short ICICI India may future at Rs 119 for a target price of Rs 110 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 123. The technical calls are a buy on Biocon. Traders are recommended to buy the stock at Rs 303 for a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 297 for a target price of Rs 317. And a buy on ICICI Bank. Traders are recommended to buy the stock at levels of Rs 943 to Rs 950 for a target price of Rs 997 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 925. Thank you and have a great day ahead.